When I was saying they should vote Peter Obi, they thought Peter Obi is my brother. That is why. We'll never start. Wallahi. Dollar now is 1,005. We will go to 2,005. I mean, we will know. I'm not a boaster, I will tell you the truth. We will know between these three tribes who is the strongest. Check people, they kill how many million people. They still survive, spread all over the globe. They still build houses all over the globe. Show me one Yoruba man that built a house in Onitsha. No. You see, they talk truth in the pain. They believe to be one Nigeria. You think you are frustrating the Easterners? No, na lie. Wallahi, the spirit where God give them another sin.
Imagine using the house of the Lord to fuel hatred between different tribes. Imagine what the man is saying. That dollar is 1.5 now. It will soon get to 2.5. Well, I don't blame the man because they give him offering, tithe and offering. People they go work, can't give him. You understand? Else he wouldn't be opening his. If he was feeling the pains that Nigerians are feeling, he will not open his mouth to say something like this. And imagine what this man is saying. You are using church to fuel hatred. Imagine what the man is saying. We go see inside the three tribes. Which one go better pass? Which Yoruba man don't build us on Onitsha? Have you gone through round the whole Onitsha? Do you understand? And this is what this man is saying in the church. What happened to love your neighbor as you love yourself, pastor? What happened to love your neighbor as you love yourself? A lot of things that most of you are doing. It's just, I will look at all these things and I will ask myself, and there are some people that will still be supporting this pastor like this.
Very dark man. Very dark man. Very dark man. All the Kilio one thank you Neil is very much. Nke gị na-apụzi iche nke ikpeazụ a. Ọ bụrụ ife ọbụla ịmanye ọnụ gị ya. Ọ bụrụ ife ọbụla ịmanye ọnụ gị ya. Before you kwuo okwu, chee ya eche. Now, egechago m your analysis about this preaching of this pastor. Iwetagokwa new Bible verse nke favor gị. We defend there your analysis. Chefuzie na the same Bible wakwala say that na only the truth shall set us free. Some say Ezeaku. Some say Ezeaku bi enwe ike set anyị free. Ofu Bible agwakwalo gị we say that we should suffer not the wish to live. Kendi bụ winch a. Ịmalụ ndị a niile na-eme ka ndị winch. Onye ọbụla ma ife ma ihe bụ attribute of ndị bụ winch. Otu ndị winch si akpa agwa. Ndị a niile bụ ndị voturu APC government vote o Tinubu today. Can I defend their vote? Can I defend the Tinubu? Those people are witches and wizards. And the Bible said that we should suffer them not to live. Again, this video I analyze. One video watch about a Yoruba pastor na criticize Peter Obi, criticize Igbo. Very dark man, they check your page. I feel maybe make any analysis or anything to criticize or speak against the man who could.
You know me, I am not afraid. You know why? Because if I see another Yoruba person I will support, that is the only Yoruba person I am seeing. Hear me, journalists, if you want to write, write. If you want to attack me, attack me. I am not a bastard. I cannot be a Yoruba boy and go and vote for Igbo. I'm not afraid. I don't care. I'm not afraid. I have not eaten from Tinubu money. I'm not asking him for money. And I will never ask him for money. I don't need his help. God is my helper.
Imeria. Mgbe ọbụla olukwa na nke ndị Igbo like this na chakapụta anya. Olukwa nye gbasara ndị Igbo na mgbe akụnụ ji enwe uche, mgbe akụnụ ji afụ unu ga-ekwu. Ihe a this man kwuru na video ọ basị. Gosi m na onye Yoruba nwe na Igbo, gosi m ofu ka mfụ. Gosi m ya ka mfụ. Ọ bụgodị na afọ nwegodu sef. Onwegodu na nwanne ndị Yoruba nwere one ka ọ dị. Maka na ọ bụ ezigbo ihe alụ na ife ifele na abịa na the whole of anyị Igbo na investment ndị Yoruba nwe na Igbo akaliro 2%. Mana ịga na Yoruba land na almost 50% of their investment nke ndị Igbo. Takwo na ugwu Hausa ofu ya ekwuzie ọ dịka onye kwuzie eziokwu dịka achụbụ ya ka egbuo onye a. Ihe dị mmanụ kwuru bụ eziokwu ka o kwuru. Eziokwu ka o kwuru. Nigeria missed a very big opportunity. And that is what we are reaping the result of the opportunity I miss. If we name today, abụghị by mistake. The signs were there. I follow the sign that n'ihe a na-eme na-aga-eme. Afụlụ ya. Mana ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ mechiri anya because of na Tinubu bụ nwanne fa. Because of no Muslim. Fe mechie anya daba na ya bụ ọkụ. Kịta mmadụ kwuzie maka ya na-ebịali short onye a up. Onye ọbụla na-ekwu gbasalụ ihe na Nigeria kịta the right. Onye ọbụla nwere right ikwu ihe ọbụla dị autobus tosi dị n'obi without looking back. Maka mgbe a na-eti mkpu a ọ dịka na amara ife anyị na-ekwu. Ma mgbe na-atretin ncha ndị Igbo na-atretin ndị Igbo atụkwana vote ifu ịtụọ vote ebe egbuo gị mee nke a emsolu na ndị otu ya na-akwagwo. Kịta bụ time onye ọbụla nwere right ikwu ihe ọbụla ọ chọrọ ikwu. Kịta bụ mgbe onye ọbụla nwere right ikwu ihe ọbụla bụ ihe na-ewute ya dị ya n'obi ọ chọrọ ikwu. And nobody should come out and tell anybody not to speak. Be it a pastor, be it whatever. That pastor is also a Nigerian. And he has every right to speak it the way it is in his heart. That he's a pastor does not mean that he should not say the truth. Or he should come out and start romancing the truth. The man just said it how it is. And it is what it is. That one.